So hey, I get to make a fun little brief update. I finally have my meters back going the way, or the controllers. My controllers are going back the way they're supposed to. I did swap out that meter a few weeks ago, and I have even gotten i1500s back up in the air, and it is running awesome. The Healy over there is, it's still doing what it's doing, but I can turn it back on now, and it's running awesome. And then even that stupid thing is doing awesome. They're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. And I've only been fully back up for a couple of days. I still got to do a little bit of tuning, but we're getting there. This setup with the solar charge controller is still working the way I think it ought to. There is a little bit of a lag, so sometimes voltage gets pretty high before it kicks on, but once it kicks on, it does a really good job of tracking the voltage and keeping it regulated until things calm down. So that cheap, it's a knockoff of another one, but I can't remember what the Make Sky Blue controller. That's supposed to be the knockoff of the Make Sky Blue controller. You can see it's actually just now turned on. Of course, this is going to be coming off of the Healy. The Healy's only making 120 watts right now, so it's not going to run very long before it turns back off. But you guys can see exactly what it does once voltage gets appropriate. It's this second meter over here. I actually have this meter, this one, run off of just half of the battery bank so I can keep the voltage under 25 volts. If it gets over 60 volts, the things blow up. So I run it like it's a 24 volt controller and just double the voltage. But that thing is working the way it's supposed to. My heat sinks, or even whenever things are cooking, they're doing what they're supposed to. I've only got 2 inverters running right now to suck up whatever load gets thrown at them. I've got one more I'm going to put on it, and yeah, and then hopefully in the next couple of days I'm going to pull down that Tessup, and we're going to put this Missouri wind turbine up on the pole. Nothing super exciting other than things are finally working again, and I just wanted to post a little bit to kind of show some stuff off, especially with the i1500. I get comments about that thing being down often, but really it's only been down a couple of times, and for cheap fixes each time, and it's back up to running awesome. So that's that. Bonus chicken. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.